Hi guys, aka Drea Sugar 21 here. Welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing Birchbox unboxing. This is for the month of July and this is my first Birchbox. I only paid $10 for this monthly subscription since there was a deal that was going on, but normally it's $12 a month and you get 5 lovely products. You can also customize your boxes. When you sign up, you can sign up for more makeup or more hair care or more skin care, and they're supposed to go by your profile. I've heard bad things that sometimes they don't go by your profile, but yeah, that's just what happens. So inside it looks like this. There's no tissue paper, no bumpers, no cushion, but each Birchbox comes with a postcard, and on the back it has all of the items that they sent you and it has their full size value. So if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So this month it came with this beautiful mesh bag. It is a bright neon orange, and on the zipper it has this pretty hot pink and this pretty neon yellow, perfect for the summer season. So we're gonna start off with the Mega Babe Space Bar Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. The full size is $8. This has glycolic acid and tea tree to smooth and clarify. Next up, we got K&C Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. Full size is $24.99. This is infused with rose flower oil, cherry extract, vitamin E. This lip mask deeply conditions, plumps, and primes. I am excited about that one. Third item in here is this IPKN Big Apple Sun Cream SPF 50. Full size is $24. This oil-free SPF 50 sun cream has a color correcting base and contains apple water extract to calm skin, minimize appearance of pores, and creates a smooth canvas for makeup. Divine's Solu shampoo. Full size is $29. This shampoo is formulated to remove the residue of styling products. The rich and airy foam leaves the hair extremely clean. Apply to wet hair. Massage in gently and rinse. Last but not least, Benefit Cosmetics Play Tint Lip and Cheek Stain. Full size is $18. The pink limited stain gives lips and cheeks a natural flush. Using the applicator, glide onto lips, layering to build to desired color. Then dot and blend quickly onto cheeks. I'm excited about this one. And that is everything in July's Birchbox. No bumpers, no cushion. But according to my first Birchbox, smooth and clarify. Whoops, let's redo that. Space Bar Detoxifying. So we're gonna start off with the Mega Babe Space Bar Detoxifying This has glycolic acid and tea tree smooth and clarify. To smooth and clarify. Also, if you had So if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that bell so you get notified the next time I post. Also, if you haven't entered my giveaway, go ahead and check out my giveaway video and go enter that giveaway. It ends September 31st. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on there. If you haven't followed me on TikTok, it's JayaSugar21. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.